Hello and you're welcome to the 19th video on HTML fundamentals for beginners, and today we are going to be talking about the article element. So what we have right now on the screen is the article, and so the h1 under the article we have the h1, so it's the article title. So assuming you are writing a blog about environment, so under the h1 should be environment, and the p, that is the paragraph, you should tell us more about the environment. So when an article element is nested, the inner elements represent an article related to the outer element. So for example, if you are writing a blog post comment, so it should be an article and it should be nested into the article representing the blog post. So if we save this and run it with our browser, okay, so we have our article and we have the content of the article. So this is when you are writing a blog and a magazine. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the section element. So the section is a logical container of the page or article. So section can be used to divide up content within an article. For example, a home page could have a section for introducing the company, another for news item, and still another for contact information. So each section should be identified typically by including a heading that is from h1 to h6 as a child of the section element. So that is it for section, and section also has a closing tag. Section, sorry, not section. Okay, section. And if we save this and refresh our browser, we should get welcome. So this is the heading of the section. So the article will be like, okay, the article is about environment, and under environment we have also subtopic. Maybe the subtopic was types of environment. So under the content or image, we can put the list of environment that we have, and we can also add the image of the environment. So before we end this video, we're going to talk about the aside element. Okay, section removed. So if we save this, refresh, all right, so we see that the article is the aside, rather, I've been saying article. So the aside tag is used to put an element or a content related to what we are writing in the article, so we can put it aside. So when an aside tag is used outside an article tag, its content should be related to the surrounding content. So if we use this aside tag, if we put it outside the article tag, so it should be related to what the article is talking about. So that will do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.